Hi, welcome in English Language Plus. Our new series of vowel sounds have been started. The first sound of, they are total in number 7, right? The simple vowel sounds, they are 7 in number. First one is very simple and very easy one, and transcription and symbol I would give you. And that's like fill. Just recognize this one. Fill. Sit. Lit. Simple. This would be the same as over here. Like fill. Fill. Okay. Simple. Fill is the same. Fill. Sit. Sit. Lit. Okay. Lit. Lip. Wind. This is simple, as if you find it is in dictionary, that's the transcription of this word. Nil. Trip. Okay. So trip. Fit. If. Fill. Sit. Lit. Lip. Wing. Nil. Trip. Fit. If. They are total in number 7. That's the first sound of the simple vowel sound, right? Fill. Sit. Lit. Lip. Win. Nil. Trip. Fit. If. Okay? You can do is practice, please. Thank you.